Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Facebook announcing your birthday to everyone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right. And then you need to click on your profile, see your profile, and here you need to scroll down. And then you need to click on see your about info. And once you are on this page, you simply need to scroll, and here you can see basic info. Click on edit, and once you click on edit, you see your birthday, your birth year, and in front of that you will see the icon of friends. Click on that option, and here you can see public, friends of friends, friends, more option. Click on only me, and then you need to click on birth year, and you can also click on more options and click on only me. And now you can see that no one is able to and then you need, in the bottom you will see the option of save. Click on that option, and once you click on save, Facebook will not announce your birthday. So this is a process by which you can stop Facebook announcing your birthday. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.